superstars! I'm your friendly mini Spiderman. Let's swing through the alphabet together from A to Z. A is for apple, juicy and red. A is for ant marching ahead. B is for ball, we bounce it high. B is for bat flapping in the sky. C is for cat, soft for fur. C is for cake, I say yum for sure. D is for dog wagging its tail. D is for drum, boom boom on the trail. E is for elephant, big and gray. E is for egg that hatches one day. F is for fish swimming in the sea. F is for frog hopping with glee. G is for grapes, purple and sweet. G is for goat standing on its feet. H is for hat, cool on my head. H is for helicopter flying ahead. I is for igloo, made of snow. I is for ice cream, cold and slow. J is for jug, filled with juice. J is for jelly, wobbly and loose. K is for kite, up in the air. K is for kangaroo, bouncing everywhere. L is for lion, loud and proud. L is for leaf, falling without a sound. M is for monkey, making a sound. N is for moon, shining all around. N is for nest, where baby birds sleep. N is for net, that catches things deep. O is for owl, awake at night. O is for orange, yummy delight. P is for parrot, talking away. P is for pen, we use every day. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. Q is for quilt, soft and brown. R is for rabbit, with ears so long. R is for rainbow, colorful and strong. S is for sun, bright in the sky. S is for star, shining up high. T is for tiger, with stripes so neat. T is for tree, growing from its feet. U is for umbrella, when rain falls down. U is for unicorn, with a magic crown. V is for van, zooming fast. V is for violin, music that lasts. W is for web, I use every day. W is for whale, big and gray. X is for xylophone, music to play. X is for x-ray, see inside, yay. Y is for yak, big and strong. Y is for yo-yo, swinging along. Z is for zebra, with stripes so neat. C is for zip, to close up the heat. You did it, heroes. You learned the ABCs with me, from A to Z. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next adventure.